Welcome to my CSE tutorial. This is a continuation of exercise 8, chapter number 1, review of Python. In this video, we'll see question D. Find the errors from the following code. The code is given here. Let's execute the program in order to list the errors in this code. So here we see the first error in line number 8. There's an invalid syntax. So this is because the if statement in Python should terminate with a colon. Now we add the colon and execute the program again. There's the second error in line number 9. Again it says it is an invalid syntax. This is because the print statement in Python does not terminate with a colon. So we remove it. Now move on to the next error. So here in line number 10, there's a syntax error. This is because in Python, the else if should be written as elif. So this is the third error. The fourth error is again in line number 10 because it should terminate with a colon. Now let's find the next error. The fifth error is in line number 11 because print statement does not have a colon. So we remove it. And again in line number 12, there's a missing colon. And therefore, these are the syntax errors. Now we have two variables in this program, A and B, which are not defined. So let's say A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5 and execute the program. So here we have A greater than 5 and therefore the first condition in line number 9 becomes true and therefore 10 is printed. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on my CSE tutorial.